Would eating a porridge or soup like this, compared and versus to a solid meal like this, leave you feeling fuller for longer? A waterproof theory or just wishful thinking? That is what I'm going to find out.
With the help of these guys. The Harley-Davidson Group has agreed to help me with this little experiment.
We're gonna try this baby food now, this porridge.
How do you feel about that?
I'm not really looking forward to it, but I'll give it a try.
Shakur and his friends, whom we've nicknamed Team Superstars, will be having chicken porridge for lunch. Now Wayne and his friends, whom we will call Team Rock Solid, will be having the same quantities of chicken and rice, but in a solid form. Depending on which team feels hungry first, I'll either confirm or debunk the idea that blended soups and porridges make you feel full for longer.
I think we'll still get hungry, but not as hungry as these guys, because our meal is solid. Theirs is basically, porridge is 90% water, and this side's a lot tougher anyhow.
Yeah. Now in a minute they're going to be taking off around Singapore doing what they do best on their bikes, but we're going to find out who comes back the fastest, the hungriest. So is it going to be the solid meal or is it going to be that blended meal?
The two teams are taking two different routes around Singapore. During the ride they are allowed to drink water or other beverages if they get thirsty. But the minute they feel hungry, they have to make their way back to the Charlie Brown Cafe, where I'll be waiting to see who makes it back first. And Team Rock Solid, the group which had the solid meal of chicken and rice, is back first.
Just past 7 o'clock. You all hungry now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah? Very hungry indeed?
Yeah.
Well, I've got to say, the guys who ate the porridge aren't here yet, which means they withheld a little longer than you guys did.
15 minutes after Team Rock Solid, the Superstars who had the porridge arrived. So it appears that porridge and blended soups can be pretty filling meals. And why is that so? When we eat a solid meal and drink water with it, our stomach is able to sieve out the water into the intestine fairly easily. However, when the water is mixed in with the food to form a blend, this sieving process is prevented and the blended food remains in the stomach for longer. The cells in the wall of an empty stomach release a hormone known as ghrelin, which travels to the brain's appetite center, activating our hunger signals. However, in a full stomach, the stomach wall is stretched and the cells stop releasing ghrelin. This means appetite center in the brain switches off its hunger signals.
So there we have it. Soups and porridges that blend water and food can help you feel full for longer and be a potent weapon in the battle against the bulge. After the break, can drinking too much water